Hello everyone, I'm Rajat Sharma from Fun with Rajinakshi and we are making a playlist on website development. So, without wasting any time, let's come to know what are our requirements, what all languages will we be working on, how much internet do we need, and updating site softwares. So our requirements is very simple, just a Windows or a Mac, get a desktop app to host and Visual Studio Code text editor to code, nothing else. If we check what in VS Code, in VS Code we need some extensions which should be added. The two necessary extensions are Live Server and HTML5 boilerplate, and there are one more which is not necessary, and I would be telling you how to download it in the further videos. So now let's see what are languages would be working on. So what is a language? Language is a format in which we give the computer a set of instructions, and that are called algorithms, and that algorithms are coded in a particular language. So HTML, CSS and JS, three languages altogether, they all would be linked. So now JS. HTML is a hypertext markup language. It's not basically a language, but it's a markup language which we use to code a content of the site. Now let's know about CSS. CSS is cascading style sheet. Cascading style sheet is used to style the content of the site. Means we need that this should be this much curve, you can see that this is curve, or this button should be square, this should be blue, or this, or something should happen like my cursor should change when I mouse over this. So all that is done by CSS. And now what JS does actually. So JavaScript. JS is JavaScript, and it allows us to add dynamic behavior to our web page and add special field effects. Like if you want that when I click this next button, it should go to the next slide. This is done by JS. If you want that someone should click something and that a pop-up should come, that is done by JS. So these things are done by JS. Now what internet would be needed? To code we need some internet for live preview, very minute, 10 kb, 0 kb, means sometimes it can happen that it does not need any internet, but it might take some internet if your web page is basically happening with more such, if you are assigning them into folders, then some internet might be used. That much internet, that much your website is being made. So to install extensions, we need a good internet speed. Without the internet speed, we cannot download the extensions. And to code, we need good internet speed is required. So now, updating site softwares are GitHub Desktop App and InfinityFree.net. So these are the all the softwares we would be working on, and these softwares would help us to do our web page. And I would be adding some special effects to make you understand better, like pointer focus. I would be annotating on the screen and teaching you the web development. Thank you.